Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can restore chipped concrete. So as you can see on one of my concrete steps, you see the chipped concrete, it's coming out here and there, and you see crack here. So this is what I'm going to fix in this video. Make sure you watch it till then. So what I have purchased DAP ready-made concrete mix because I find it pretty useful, and depending upon the damage and level you have, you may need some additional tools, but in this one I'm gonna use pretty simple, just a putty knife. Okay, as you can see, I put it over there and I'm gonna patch it. This I'm gonna do across all the areas that needs this one. Okay, so guys, I'm in the process. So in order to give it uniform look, what I am doing, I'm applying patch all across this area, and then using a leveler I'm gonna level it out. Okay, so just stay with me. When you level it, make sure you level it in one direction so that it looks uniform. Okay, I still have to do some more and then I'll be ready. So this is how it looks now. I'll still do one more layer, just like some of those chipped small particles. I'll take them off, and once it is ready I can do sanding to take off small particle to make it even uniform. But this is how it works, guys. Let me know guys what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel.